Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make jerk spice chicken and rice in your pressure cooker, and I'll be using my Ninja Foodi. First, you're going to start off by using a butter knife to separate the skin from some chicken legs. And then you're going to season under the skin and on top of the skin with some kosher salt. Next, we're going to sprinkle on a little freshly ground black pepper, and then we're going to add a little bit of cinnamon. Now that first chicken leg got a lot of bit, but you know what, we just gonna share that with his little chicken leg friends. And then we are going to add some paprika. Next, we're going to spritz the chicken legs with some olive oil. And then I'm going to use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of some jerk seasoning marinade. Now, I found this while I was on vacation in Jamaica, but I will have a link to purchase down below in the description box. Now, once your meat has been coated, go ahead and transfer it to a Ziploc bag and pop your chicken in the fridge overnight or for at least 1 hour. Now, while the chicken is chilling in the fridge, let's talk about this description box because some of you guys can't find it. You see that little down arrow that's under the video next to the title? Well, if you click on that, it will open up all the information about the video that you're watching. I always list all the ingredients, and sometimes I'll even give you the step-by-step directions, even though I gave you a whole video. But anyways, that's where you find the ingredients, and it also shows you where to buy the gadgets that I'm using. So anyways, back to the recipe. So I preheated my Ninja Foodi on Saute high, and now we are going to brown the chicken on all sides. Once the chicken is brown, remove it and set it to the side, and now it's time to saute some onions. I'm just using some frozen chopped onions, and then you're going to add in some white rice that you have rinsed, and then it's time to add in some chicken broth. Mine is so rich in flavor and color because I made this myself. But anyways, so now it's time to add the chicken back to your pot. And once the chicken has been added, go ahead and seal your pressure cooker. And then we are going to cook on high pressure for 10 minutes, followed by a quick release of pressure. Here's what your meal will look like once it's done cooking. That rice has soaked up all that yummy flavor and the chicken is tender and juicy. So now just go ahead and remove the chicken, fluff the rice, and serve it up. That's it, easy peasy. So what do you think? Did you like this video recipe? Well, if you did, please give me a thumbs up as it does help out my channel. And if you're here and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and tap that button and click that bell so you know every time I upload a new video. As always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!